Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Constance and I'm from ZOA. Starting a business in South Africa has become relatively easy and quick to process, but it does come with its own set of regulations and requirements. The process involves multiple steps and registrations, and it's important to understand the options available to you. In this video, we'll explore various options and the types of companies that can be registered with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, also known as CIPC. We'll also discuss the registration of entities that do not have to be registered with the CIPC, such as sole proprietorships, non-profit organizations, and we'll also delve into essential registrations like income tax, PAYE, UIF, STL, workmen's compensation, VAT, and the crucial step of opening a business bank account. Now, a private company is a popular choice for small to medium-sized businesses and provides limited liability for its shareholders. A public company is suitable for larger businesses intending to raise capital through the public, whilst a non-profit company is a registered entity that operates for a public benefit purpose, such as charities or non-government organizations. A non-profit company is registered with the CIPC, and registering with the CIPC is essential for formal recognition. Personal liability companies, types of business entities in South Africa that are mainly used by associations such as lawyers, engineers, accountants, and medical practitioners. The directors and, in some instances, past directors can be personally liable jointly and severally together with the company for any debts and liabilities during their periods of office. A partnership allows two or more individuals to run a business together with shared responsibilities and liabilities. Partnerships are not registered legally, and they're not separate legal entities in the eyes of the law, which means that each partner is exposed to unlimited liability for their activities within the business. Non-profit organizations in South Africa can be registered with the CIPC, as we've already said, or the Department of Social Welfare, or both. This status allows non-profit organizations to access tax benefits and grants. If you wish to receive grants or donor funding, you are required to register with the Department of Social Development. Non-profit companies registered with the Department of Social Development can apply for funding at the National Lottery Board. A sole proprietor enjoys full control over their business, but they are also personally liable for all business liabilities. Registration requirements for sole proprietors are often less complex than those for other business structures, making it accessible as an option for many entrepreneurs. However, one has to weigh this against the implications of unlimited liability. When you register your business with the CIPC, you automatically receive an income tax number, and this number is crucial for compliance with South African tax regulations and for filing your income tax return. PAYE, if you have employees, you must register for pay as you earn tax within the South African Revenue Service, or SARS. PAYE is the tax deducted from employees' salaries and paid across to SARS. UIF, which is also in the full term, is Unemployment Insurance Fund. So both SARS and the Department of Social Welfare or Department of Labor manage the UIF registration. UIF provides financial support to employees who lose their jobs or cannot work due to illness or when they're on maternity leave. Skills Development Levy applies for employers who pay over a certain threshold, and they're required to register for this levy, and the funds are used to develop the skills and knowledge of the South African workforce. And then workmen's compensation. Employers must register with the Compensation Fund for Workmen's Compensation Insurance to cover employees' injury or disease acquired at work. So this is a form of insurance. And then VAT, or value added tax, applies if your business annual turnover exceeds a certain threshold, which is currently 1 million. And if you want to register voluntarily, then you may do so if your annual turnover is 50,000 Rand or more. VAT is a consumption tax collected on behalf of the Revenue Authority. Once your business is registered, it is essential to open a dedicated business bank account. This separates your personal and business finances. It simplifies your accounting, and it ensures that it's so much easier to be compliant with tax regulation. Different banks in South Africa offer various business account options to suit your specific needs. And that, in a nutshell, covers the main items or elements that you need to consider when you start out in business. These are some of the services that we provide. If you've got any residual questions and you want to reach out to us, please feel free to do so, and the contact details are on your screen. Otherwise, that's it for this video. I look forward to more videos in the future. Bye-bye for now.